This is Taylor Homestead Soap. I'm Angela Taylor. This is
Kate Taylor.
And this is Eli Taylor.
He's my little brother.
He is. Today we're going to do a product review on, show him, Kate. Ooh, Nature's Garden. This is one of their kits that you can buy on their Nature's Garden website. Nature's Garden is where I get all my fragrance oils. And so I saw this kit and I was like, my kids and I would like to do this. And we're just going to make a video for you all. So this is their Citrus Peel Salt Scrub Kit. So what I wanted to show is this is how the kit comes. Look how cute this is. Look how cute. I want to reveal to you how much I spent. Here's my, look, see. Here's my nifty little pay slip. So you can see here I paid $15.99 for it. The shipping was $10 and some odd cents, and the whole thing came out to $26.58. That's how much the entire thing was for shipping and everything else. You want to say hi, Eli? There. See? Yeah, there he is. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All right, so everything together was $26.58. If you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel, give us a big thumbs up, and leave a comment below. Thank you.
Bye.
All right, here we have our Nature's Garden bag with our Citrus Peel Salt Scrub in it. I'm going to open it up for you and show you what's inside. First of all, we have our recipe, and we have our ingredients and all the things that we need. And then we have step-by-step instructions right here. So let's see, what comes in here? Well, let's see here. We have a Dead Sea salt. We have 4 little jars. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have, let's see here. We have 2 pipettes. We have our orange peel powder. We have this bag, which is full. We have our fractionated coconut oil, our grapefruit ruby red fragrance oil, and see here, we have our vitamin E oil. So I'm going to get out the directions. Look at all this, guys. This is what I got in this bag.
It's really cool.
Yeah, look at all that.
And I'm her helper.
She is my helper. And
I'm
look at
a
this.
helper.
You're a helper too. Look at this.
Now how do I?
All right, so then what we do is we're going to look at the directions here. All right, first it says, step 1, mix 1 cup of fine sea salt. All right, so I'm going to mix 1 cup of the fine sea salt, which is what this is. This is 1 cup. Oops, I'm knocking my stuff over. All right, so, oh, look, you have it all taped down for me. Whoops. Ooh, messy. So, let's see here. Open my bag. Dump in my Dead Sea salt. Okay, Kate, would you like to put in the 1/2 cup of fractionated coconut oil?
Sure.
All right, dump it right in there, little miss. Good job. Then it says a 1/2 teaspoon of the vitamin E oil. Eli Taylor, would you like to dump the vitamin E oil in?
How much?
All of it. Dump it right in. Bloop. And then 1 teaspoon of the lemon peel. Ooh, we're gonna get it out of our little baggie here.
It's hard to open things with glove on our hands.
Ooh, what do you think, guys? Smell it.
Oh, it smells so good.
Doesn't it smell good?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. And show everybody your gloves, Eli. Show everybody. Yeah, put it in there. They're a little big on him. What do you think? Look.
His fingers are like
Yeah, look.
Or like right there.
Ooh, they even have, ooh, I got 2 different kinds. I got orange peel powder and lemon peel powder. What?
It says we need 1 teaspoon of lemon peel powder.
Oh, it says we need, but it doesn't say it. See.
Lemon peel powder and orange.
Oh, it says both. So I have to put in orange peel powder and lemon peel powder. Thank you, Kate, for pointing that out. So I'm going to pour in the orange peel powder. And then I'm going to open this up. Kate, would you like to do this?
Okay.
This is the orange peel powder. So Kate's going to dump this one in. Okay. Now.
20 drops of red grapefruit fragrance oil.
We've done that. That was the 20 drops. We've already done that. And then it says, spoon contents into jars and let, oh wait, it says, and mix. We have to mix it. So when we mix this, we have to be careful. Who wants to try to help? You. All right. Eli, you go through and you do this 5 times. Ready? And don't flip anything. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
I think that's more than 5. But okay, Kate, you go ahead now.
For 5 times. 1.
Important note, friends.
2.
When you have children, you have to give them the same amount because things aren't fair if you don't. All right. So then what we got to do, Mom's got to do is get it all in there. Look at this. Get it all mixed up. Ooh, smell it, guys.
Oh, so good.
It does smell really, really, really good. I have to admit. I'll use this. Will you use this?
That's yum.
Okay, you have your gloves. Feel it. You rub this on your skin.
It's like sandy.
Well, yeah. It's
Because it's sand. Because it's sea sand.
It's sea salt. It's not sea sand. Not all of it. Okay, then it says, ooh, spoon contents into with jar. Ooh, Kate, would you go get us? Oh, wait, I've got a spoon. All right. Who wants to do this one?
Me.
All right, here you go.
I'll do the next one.
You can do the next one. So Kate is going to spoon it into here. Okay. Okay, I think that's probably good. Eli, would you like to do the next one?
Yes.
Yes.
Please.
Yes, please. All right. Here you go.
One more.
So this is a little odd. We have enough, I can tell you this now, we have enough for 2 jars, but they gave us 2 more jars. So that's a little strange, but that's okay. I'll take 2 extra jars of whatever anytime, because this did say, I was kind of confused. It did say on the outside enough for 2 4-ounce jars. And then I got 4 jars, which is okay. That's okay.
Yeah, maybe it's supposed to come that way.
I don't know. Because see, you can see here, this is not going to fit
In one more jar.
in one more, I mean.
It would fill half a jar, but not a whole.
Yeah, it might do a half a jar, but it's not going to do the whole jar. So what I like about this is they're giving you 4 jars, and I guess it's to, just in case one breaks perhaps.
Or maybe we put too much things in and we were supposed to make more.
No, they gave us the exact. Okay, I wanted to show you, it made 1, 2.5 jars here. They did not provide any labels. They did provide, you know, just the right amount. Now they did do 2 pipettes, and as Kate pointed out, I didn't follow the instructions perfectly. She said, "Mommy, you used the pipettes to put in 20 drops." Oh yeah, you're right. I should have used those, but I didn't. To me, this is a pretty good deal overall. I know that Nature's Garden provides really good fragrance oils. because that's mostly what I use in my soap making. All the ingredients were of high quality. It was sea salt. So yeah, this is something that I would recommend for my watchers out there. I will put the Nature's Garden website page so that you can get to this page easily in my description box. Thank you for watching this video. Remember, you are loved. Go be a blessing to someone else today. Bye.